Welcome to the AFCON 2025 group previews. We are previewing the groups from Group A until Group F. So today we are starting with Group A. So this is a preview and forecast for Group A of the AFCON Total Energies CAF Cup of Nations, which will take place in Morocco from the 21st of December to the 18th of January 2026. So Group A is made of four teams or four countries. It is Morocco, Mali, Zambia, and Comoros. Okay. Morocco are ranked number one in the CAF rankings. Mali are ranked 7th. Zambia are ranked 19th. And Comoros are ranked 43rd. So the best AFCON performance for Morocco, they were champions in 1976. Mali were runners-up in 1972. Zambia were champions in 2012. Remember when they were led by Chris Katongo, right? Comoros, round of 16, 2021. So the key players for Morocco, it is Ashraf Hakimi. For Mali, it's Yves Bizuma of Tottenham Hotspur. For Zambia, it is Fashion Sakala. And for Comoros, it is Youssef Mchanga. So the Group A preview, the host challenge. Group A is fascinating, featuring the continent's top-ranked team and tournament hosts, Morocco, against three nations with genuine ambitions, including a former champion in Zambia. Number one, Morocco, the Atlas Lions. Status, clear favorites. The reasoning behind it. Morocco is not only the host nation, enjoying the full support of the home crowd, but they are also the highest ranked team in Africa and carried the momentum of their historic 2022 FIFA World Cup semi-final run. Coach Walid Regragui has built a tactically disciplined and technically gifted squad. The key factor, they will be expected to win all three games, but the pressure of hosting and the immense expectation to lift the trophy for the first time since 1976 could be their biggest challenge. The player to watch it is Ashraf Hakim, the right back. His return from injury will be crucial. He drives their attack and is the spiritual leader on the pitch. 2. Mali, the Eagles, the stated strong contenders for second place in that group. Reasoning, Mali have consistently been a tournament dark horse, possessing great depth of talent, particularly in midfield led by players like Yves Bizuma. They have the quality and recent form to push Morocco, making their match day 2 clash arguably the group's most decisive fixture. Key factor, their ability to transition from defense to attack quickly makes them a dangerous opponent for anyone. They must avoid dropping points against Zambia and Comoros to secure automatic qualification to the last 16. Number 3, Zambia, the Chipolopolo. Status, dark horse, battle for third. Reasoning, Zambia, the 2012 champions, enters the tournament in a state of flux. Having recently changed coaches, they have a good number of players, right, based in Europe, but the team's overall consistency has been an issue. They desperately need a positive start against Mali to build confidence. The key factor, their unpredictability is both a weakness and a strength. They have the attacking talent, e.g. Fashion Sakala, to cause an upset, but their recent defensive record is a major concern. Comoros, the coalescent, status underdogs. Reasoning, Comoros proved they belong by making the round of 16 in their debut AFCON 2021 appearance. They are a tenacious, well-organized side that knows how to frustrate bigger opponents. However, This group is significantly tougher than their last. The key factor, they will rely on strong defensive organization and the creativity of key midfielders to snatch points, likely aiming to be one of the four best third placed teams. So the Group A forecast and predictions. Okay. So for match day 1, Morocco versus Comoros, the prediction is a 2-0 win for Morocco. Okay. But let's look at the final group standings. Okay. The prediction is that Morocco will finish first, with Mali second and Zambia third, and Comoros being last. So in summary, Morocco should top the group with minimal fuss, but the battle between Mali and Zambia for the second automatic spot will be fierce and likely decided by a single goal. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give me your predictions for Group A. Who do you think is going to top Group A, guys? My name is Debus Kosana. The name of the platform, it is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.